Happy wedding eve. I love this woman to death. Yeah, you got that? To death.
It's a murder mystery based on the book that Ellen Hildebrand wrote called The Perfect Couple.
Everything is in place for a lavish wedding on Nantucket Island. When a body washes on shore, nothing is as it seems, and everyone becomes a suspect.
Because Perfect Couple is this delicious thriller of a story with rich and vivid characters and shocking twists, we knew very early on that Susanna Bier was the perfect director to bring the story to life.
We were very keen to seduce audience to feel that they are there, that there is a real life to the place and to the world, but also making the whole show really sexy.
I love the story, I love the sort of dilemma, I love the idea of all these different characters coming together.
So thrilled for both of you.
To Benji and his beautiful bride.
I love you, and I can't wait to marry you tomorrow.
I fully believed in our team, the director, writer.
It's beautiful, it's elegant, it's expensive.
The most important thing to me is that Nantucket was done correctly.
Susanna, of course, has a very distinct vision.
I got a lot of the Nantucket spirit, the sense of place and injection of inspired joy, which the book was.
We filmed in this huge house right on the water, very impressive setting and landscape to shoot the show. It looks so beautiful.
The salmon shorts, boat shoes.
Who is going to tell the middle-aged men of the world that they cannot wear shorts with loafers? Is it going to have to be me?
Whenever you're translating something to a series, you do have to have some creative license, which is what Ellen said, please take it and create it in its own form.
Who are you protecting?
Who am I protecting?
You have all these different characters and they're all intertwined in different ways.
We are the perfect family.
There's a lot of weaving that goes into this storyline.
This show has a sense of humor, hopefully when you least expect it.
What to do with the cake?
Oh, shit, it's the cake, right. I don't know. I suppose we could...
Eat it.
Donate it.
Donate it to who? The last thing poor people need is more sugar.
There is a kind of sense of fun throughout the story. It's kind of very elegant popcorn.
Yeah, we have a light refreshment.
A mojito.
Mojito?
It's kind of like a wine cooler, but better.
It's nothing like a wine cooler.
Shut up, Tom.
It's very dark, and it's also at the same time incredibly light.
They're rich. Kill someone and get away with it, Rich.
This is such an elevated production by Dreamcast.
I'm gonna get a chance to work with all of these people that I've wondered if I ever would get a chance to work with.
You even know what you want? Because I do. It's you. That's all I've ever wanted.
I want everyone to feel surprised and shocked and fulfilled.
Even the best of liars get very tired juggling too much. All gets too overwhelming and they snap. It's glamorous, it's intriguing, it's mysterious. It's a world you want to get lost in.